Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be showing you how the swirly bubble bars are made. Now what's super exciting as well is at the end of this video we're going to be judging the swirly bubble bars, and I'm actually going to be picking my favourite swirly bubble bar, which I think is going to be very, very, very difficult. But before we get to the judging, we're actually going to show you exactly how our bubble bars are made, rolled and cut and shaped. So without further ado, let's go. What's your name and what's the first step?
So my name's Ree, and the first step is we use baking soda in all our bubble bars, which softens the water and soothes your skin. The next ingredient is cream and tartar. It keeps the bubbles nice and thick and fluffy.
So the next ingredient is sodium lauryl sulfate, and what does that ingredient do?
It's a deep cleansing lava.
Now every bubble bar is different, containing different colours, ingredients and essential oils.
So can you tell us about the Comforter bubble bar?
It's one of my favourites. It's one of my favourite ones. It's got a vibrant pink and a brilliant white. It's powered by Cassius Absolute, that's from blackcurrant buds, and bergamot oil. It gives you an uplifting boost.
I am really looking forward to seeing this one rolled. Do you think that you're going to win?
Of course.
Hello, what's your name and what is the first step in the process?
My name is Lauren, and the first step in swirly sticky dates is benzoin and carob resinoids.
Please tell me, what does it smell like?
It smells like one of my favourite desserts. It smells like sticky toffee pudding. Oh, it's so nice.
So what gives this product such a lovely fragrance?
It's the West Timor sandalwood oil. It really grounds the fragrance.
Ooh, lovely. So I heard that there's like some glitter in there as well?
Yeah, it's plastic-free shimmering luster. It just makes it a really nice soak.
So what's in Brightside Bubble Bar?
There is Sicilian red mandarin, tangerine and bergamot oil. It makes for a really nice bath and it's really energising.
So why are these oils chosen for this bubble bar?
Because they have a really high content of limonene, which makes your body feeling really refreshed.
Once mixed, it's time for our lovely bubbles crew to roll them into the iconic swirls. They start by shaping each colour into rectangles. It's a great way to get some anger out. Then, pressing them flat to then roll it all together, almost like a Swiss roll. They're then sent to be cut, weighed, and shaped to be left in the fridge overnight. Now it's time to judge who made the best swirl.
I've been given the impossible task of choosing my favourite swirl because I love all the swirls in our bubble bars, but now I've suddenly got to choose my favourite swirl. I think this is impossible and not fair, and I've definitely been set up here. Also, I want us to be friends if I don't choose the swirl. Okay. Oh, well, I absolutely love Comforter because I love like the deep like purple and white swirls. I like Brightside. It's got all the colours. There's some colours there that match my colour of my hair, so I'm super happy with that.
So that should be the winner.
So that should be the winner.
Yeah.
And then also Sticky Dates because who doesn't love Sticky Dates? Oh, this is so difficult. Which one is my favourite swirl? They each have such lovely things about them. I'm gonna go Brightside.
Yay!
Purely because it matches the colour of my hair.
So,
Made my day.
Yeah.